What's up guys, my name is Buberino and welcome to another Rain GG video. If you checked the last video, we just hit a double and we had $500 in profit. I just withdraw, so it's all nice. But this video we have $500 in our pockets, and before start don't forget, use the link in the description or in the comment section, or even deposit Buberino 7 days and apply to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases upon your deposit. So let's start right away with a 3 versus 3 in jackpot mode with some 5%. We just gonna open almost 100 of 5%, 100 of 5% with 10 cases, a 3 versus 3, so everyone has more chance of dropping anything. And let's check. I saw an egg right there. Some eggs are popping up. Stop, please, please. Bro, so close. No freaking way. Look at this. Triple freaking egg. What? 5% in a row. What the freaking was that? And another 2. What is happening at Rain GG, bros? What the hell? Bro, look at this, already 500. These 5% are eating so much. Oh, I'm like speechless. I never saw that. 3 in a row and 2 in a row right away. Damn. Okay, nothing, and it was the last case. So jackpot mode will do his thing, and we're gonna lose. They double their money. That's okay. So we're gonna do the 3 versus 3, and we're gonna do exactly the same with 150 or 216. Again, 3 versus 3, not jackpot mode this time, because I feel that jackpot mode betrayed us last time. So we're gonna go raw. The bot is just saying, hey guys, I'm gonna eat the first, and he just eat the first. How much? 24k. Still. Roll the dice. We have so much cases on this battle. I think I've put too many since it's 20, you know. But at least there are more chance to do something like this. Oh, the best drop? 40. Not the best drop, but 1%. It's welcome. It's there a double? Not, but close. Close. Impress freaking go. I'm glad we didn't put like jackpot mode by now, since we are way up. But you know, Rain GG, everything can change in a matter of seconds. I hope it's not for them, you know. just need some good little cases. Oof, that was close. Still nothing. Bro, not for them. Please drop a bad knife. Fuck, how much? 200. Now they are on the lead. And another knife. But it's a budget knife, so not for me. Okay, now we have to drop like 300 to at least try to do something. Maybe here in the gloves we can do... Okay, the best glove knocks, maybe? 300, alright. We're still not winning, but... No, don't drop a tag, come on. No freaking way, bro. Now we need to hit one more time, otherwise we are wrecked. Egg. Perfect, okay. How freaking much we gonna drop? A knife, it is 200. I think we are on the lead. I think. So close. Oh my god. Did we won? Yes! We freaking did it. 400. Now we have 100 in profit. So we're gonna open a squishy knife, squishy case, and we're gonna end up the video. Gonna open a skeleton case in a 2v2 jackpot mode, and we're gonna open this 320. Don't forget, guys, if you want to play it on RangeGG, link in the description to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases. So it's really worth for you. So let's freaking go. Okay, 50-50. And the bot just won. Right, it's time to go. I will see you on the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you again. See ya!